Mr. Squid Adventure. Have a look at the scenery here from our hotel. This is stunning. Look at that. Have a look at that. Oh my god, we came in here in the dark. I had no idea what it looked like. Oh my god. This is Vietnam. Bloody awesome. Thank you. Alrighty, here we go. Look at me in the window. That is Mr. Viet Adventure. Here we go. We're going out for a bit of a test run in the mountains, riding the glorious road that we came in through last night, which was dark. We're just going to go out and see that in the daylight. Because it looked absolutely stunning. So we're going to go and capture some of that for YouTube-ness, but also for our own memories, and we're going to do some droning out there too, no doubt. Take some photos, fly the drone, and I've got the gimbal going. Catch us some goodness. My golly gosh, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Hey! Good spot for flying a drone, you reckon?
I think so.
Nice and clean water, so clear and bloody beautiful. Have a look at that. Have a look at this. Here's a buffalo swimming in the river. Look at the views they get to put up with. Hey? Horrible stuff. Oh man. This is living. Guys, you've got to get out there and live. You've got to experience places like this in the world. Work hard, save your dollars, get out and do shit like this. This is awesome. Oh man, Scooter Bro, Mr. Scooter Bro Adventure. This is totally weird. Suspension's rock hard compared to what I've been used to riding, both on my V-Strom and on the XR125 I've been riding here. So feeling all the little bumps is quite unnerving. It's something I'll get used to, but oh. I just don't have confidence in myself going full throttle, giving it to it. I'm sure I'll get used to that though, get used to the braking and the feeling of the little tyres, tiny little wheels. Hey, don't you be passing the scooter, bro! With your big 150cc's. We're getting fuel, are we? That doesn't feel safe to me. So close to the ground and everything, and feeling all the bumps with the little wheel. But I can see its appeal for like the smoothness and yeah. Oh, I'm a scooter bro, I'm a scooter bro. No one can touch me 'cause I'm a scooter bro. There's nowhere I can't go when I'm a scooter bro. Yeah, baby. We'll swap back now. Honda PCX Prestige. Have a look at that, would you? Wow, wow, look out there. Look at that up there. How many exclamations can I make about the scenery before it gets old? Fuck yes. Oh, have a look down there. This is fucking magic.